Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video I will be sharing my Boxy charm. As you saw in my first as you know, I just started Boxy charm. This is my second box and the theme is Lucky, and it's Boxy charm Lucky for the month of March, so that means lucky for St. Patrick's Day. And I will put my glasses on because I need to be able to tell you what I am reading to you. Okay, my glasses are on. This eye look will be on YouTube. It was for spring collaboration. These beautiful pastel colors. Check it out. Okay, back to Boxy charm. Boxy charm for March, and there's a first item out of the box is $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel, and it is $18. And this is what the packaging looks like. Let's see what it looks like. I'll take it out. Ooh, okay. Trying to make sure it's not upside down. This is what it looks like. They say it is clear, and clear it is. It is clear. I haven't used a brow gel in a while. I had one before, but I haven't. Okay. The second item in the box is 111 Skin Haley Scent London Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel, and it looks like this. And it cost $14. We're going to open it for sure. Wow, I like the bottle. Slim and slender. That's it. What is that? Okay, I just want to see. Ah, okay. So you squeeze a little. This is what the application looks like. So you squeeze and then you take it and you put it under your eye, around the crow's feet, into the inner part. Okay, I will give this a try. Third item from the box is MAVEN Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray, Makeup Setting Spray. It looks like this. And the rose water is $22. Why I'm out of frame, I don't know. We're going to open to see what it looks like. Ooh, I'm liking the box is pretty, but the bottle is pretty. Just gonna spray a little on my hand, see? Okay. It don't smell that bad. You wanna see what it looks like? I'm gonna spray. Gonna be all on my glasses. I'll have to clean my glasses later. Yep. It's on my glasses. Okay. It don't smell, but I don't smell any. I don't smell anything with this. Okay, we're number what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 4, because 5 full-size item that comes in here. Number 4 is called CAB, K-A-B, Cabe or Cab Lip Oil, and the box looks like this. Okay. This is it. I'm liking the color. I will try that. Okay. I will be trying that. Okay. And this Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil is $20. And then the last item in the box, which is, it's called Damn Girl 24-Hour Mascara by Too Faced. Ooh, I have to try this. This is what it looks like. And the outside packaging is pretty cute. Ooh, yeah, I have a sample size of this. This is so good. This is the sample size I have. I bought this at Sephora. And then now I have the full size. I really love this. Yeah, alrighty then. Okay, so this is this. Yeah, and I did like the wand. Let's open it so we can see. Quiet now. Okay, and this is the wand, and I remember I did like the wand. I don't know, I have to fix them. I'm getting out of focus a lot. Okay, so that's good. And this is worth $26. I like this already, so this is a plus and it's worth the box. Now, let's recap. Mascara by Too Faced, MAVEN Beauty Rose Water, Setting Spray, Cab Lip Oil, and 111 Skin, that's the contour gel, and the $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel. These are the 5 products that came in the Match Boxy Charm. Is it worth the money? To me it is. Is it worth it to you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you all again for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Let me know about the Boxy Charm. Are you thinking of getting it?